Scottie Restore is a program where students get to be leaders and get to be peer mediators, and other students get to come in and instead of going to detention, they get to come to peer-led restorative circles where they get to talk through what's going on, and we get to basically just help them through the power of their peers.
With traditional punishments, we don't see an opportunity for growth. Usually with traditional punishment, it's not personalized, and with restorative practices, we have personalized solutions. So that would look like holding a circle where we can talk with them, give them an opportunity to share their side of the story, and after we listen, we're able to tailor a solution specifically for them. So just like those SMART goals, we would use those to tailor it specifically in a way that they'll be able to understand and grow from that.
We very much believe in getting rid of the school-to-prison pipeline that is so present in our nation. And even though this is just one step towards that goal, because it's a small program at one high school, we really do feel like we're taking one of the first steps. And we want to get rid of that school-to-prison pipeline. And we don't want our students here at Helix to fall down that pipeline. And so we're trying to take the necessary steps to prevent that from happening.
The point of the program is to help students learn from their decisions, learn from their actions, so that they can make better decisions next time. So seeing our students grow from experience that learning, and the goal of education isn't just for them to learn about math and English, but also for them to grow as people and to grow as human beings. And I feel like Scottie Restore is all about helping our students grow as human beings and growing into good people. And I believe that that is the purpose of this program. And I believe that our students can benefit whether they are a part of the group or our peers who are running the groups, because they're also learning too. They're getting that experience of leadership and getting that experience of facilitating a circle. So Scottie Restore is a great representation of growth and helping our students grow into positive and well-contributing human beings.
I wanted to be a part of Scottie Restore because I think in detention you're not really improving on any of the issues that you had for why you went there in the first place. And I think everyone needs someone to talk to about their issues in life. I just think speaking through what's going on will help you improve. And when you know what you're doing wrong, you're being held accountable, not in a bad way. You're able to see yourself and know how to personally improve upon yourself. And I think this club drew me in because I want to see people improve themselves. I want to see society get better.
I love that this club has given me like a more bubbly personality, I would like to say. And it's just helped me learn about myself as well and just how I perceive different people and see other people.
Students get referred through their grade level teams, so that's their principal, their academic advisor. They can also get referred through their teachers, and they just fill out a Google form that we've created that kind of explains what the problem is, when they're supposed to attend Scottie Restore, and we do have restorative circles running every Tuesday after school, and the times line up to our detention times. So students have the option of going to Scottie Restore and doing more of like support circles, or they have the option of attending traditional detention. So we really like giving them that opportunity to choose, because that really gives the student autonomy in a time when they really don't usually get autonomy through school discipline.
Some of the impacts that we've seen have been just overall making somebody's life easier. Something as simple as that. It takes a load off of somebody's shoulders. Some other impacts that we've seen have also been spreading awareness of restorative practices and what that means. We've had people come into the club for excessive tardies, and then they hear about our message and they think that it's really cool, and then later on they talk about wanting to join the club. It's kind of a full circle kind of situation.
So we had 2 students come in, and at first they thought there was not a chance of them ever being friends again. But after we went through the process of our restorative circles, after we asked them, is there a chance that you guys would be friends again? And they said yes. So I think that's a really big impact of going from I'm never going to be your friend again to I see myself wanting to be your friend again.